Welcome to Chapter 9. We are first going on with our introduction to equations. So you have heard already of something called an expression. Now we're moving on to equations. So again, same as always, you have your notes to copy in here. We're going to go through some examples, go through some worked examples, and then you are on to your set of questions. And again, these videos will be available later. There is also quick notes if you would like to use those additionally. So, first and foremost, when we're going through this, make sure you put your title and you put your date. So, going through a few terms in particular that you need to be aware of. The word expression we have come across before, and this refers to, we've got pronumerals, we've got numbers, and we've got operators, but we have not got an equal sign, okay? So, when I am talking about an expression, it does not have an equal sign. Keep that one in mind in particular. So the example that you have here, there is no equal sign. There's nothing there. But we have some pronumerals, which are the letters. We have some operators where we have our minus and our plus, and we also have a number. So an equation, which is different to our expression. So our equation, so it's a mathematical statement that states how two things are equal, okay? And it does include that equal symbol. That one's really, really important. So make sure that you remember the difference between those. So we have our equal symbol for those. So two things are equal in this case. For every single equation, for every equation, you have a left-hand side, which is this section, and you have a right-hand side, which is that side too. Okay, so you're breaking down each of these and making sure that it actually kind of balances out and equals each other based on the information you're given. So the value or values, so what you can replace for that x there, make an equation true are called their solutions. So if I was to find a number that I could put in for this value of x to make it 26, that would mean the equation is true, therefore that is a solution. So one we've got here, and you can do these a little bit by inspection. Sometimes you might have to spend a little bit more time on it, but inspection is kind of where we get to. We can kind of go, oh yeah, maybe 3 times something equals this, so we can figure out how much the thing is, which is exactly what this says. This says 3 xylophones cost $12, so we can figure out that 1 xylophone actually costs $4. So our solution, so this particular number here, we can check by substituting the value in and see if it is true. So essentially, we have this lovely situation where our left-hand side, and this is what we do a little bit in algebra too, our left-hand side, particularly with equations, equals our right-hand side. Now let's go on to our examples.